massage gloves are incredible. They fit all hand sizes and you can use them wherever, whenever. Today we're gonna open a pair of them up and show you exactly how to use them with our TENS and EMS units. Let's go ahead and open the gloves up and see exactly what you get in here. Inside, you get your glove along with one of our extra large pads. So the glove here is a one size fits all kind of deal. It's super easy to use. It actually uses a mesh. So you'll notice that I've got pretty big hands, goes right over, makes it super easy. Shouldn't really give you much trouble. That's all there is to it. Now, just like our other accessories, when you do use the glove, you wanna make sure that you do use water. Spray your hand, put your hand under the sink, just get your hand wet, slide it in, you're good to go. I do recommend a few extra sprays of water on the tips of your fingers. It just makes it connect a bit better. It feels really, really nice. Let's go ahead and pull these back off, show you how to plug it in. Basically, you're just gonna pull your large pad out of here. Take your set of cords. Again, I recommend putting the red on the glove itself, the white one on the pad. Now, when you put the glove on, the pad you're gonna wanna put on the inside of your wrist, just above the glove. Makes it very effective, easy to use, and it concentrates the power of the TENS and EMS from my wrist to my fingertips. Take your unit, plug it in, turn it on, select the mode you like, increase your power, set your timer, let it run. You're good to go. Makes it feel good.